Hey there, fellow iPhone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you. Have you ever accidentally deleted a cherished video on your iPhone? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to recover those precious memories effortlessly. So, let's jump right in. Setting the stage. Alright, the first thing you want to do is stay calm. Panicking won't help. Now, you can grab your iPhone, and we can begin recovering that deleted video. iCloud Backup Method. For our first method, we're diving into the iCloud Backup. This is a lifesaver if you regularly back up your device. Simply open your settings, tap on your name, then iCloud, and finally, tap on Manage Storage. From here, you can choose your device and select Backups. Find the right backup with your video and restore it. Just remember, this will replace your current data with the backup. iTunes to the rescue. Our second method involves using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer and launch iTunes. Select your device, and under the Summary tab, click Restore Backup. Choose the backup with your video, and let iTunes work its magic. But remember, this also replaces your current data. The power of third-party tools. Now, if you haven't been backing up, don't worry. There are some incredible third-party tools that can help. One of our favorites is Video Rescue. Download and install the software, connect your iPhone, and let it scan for your deleted videos. Once it's done, simply select the video you want to recover and voila! Preventing future heartaches. Congratulations on successfully recovering your video. To prevent this heart-stopping moment in the future, make sure to regularly back up your device, either through iCloud or iTunes. Trust me, it's worth it to keep those precious memories safe. And there you have it, folks. You've just unlocked the secret to recovering deleted videos on your iPhone. Whether you're using iCloud, iTunes, or a trusty third-party tool, you're now equipped to rescue your memories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments. Before you go, check out these other fantastic videos from our channel. And remember, never let go of those memories, you've got the power to bring them back. See you soon. Bye for now, and happy recovery.